Pull the fill tube from the machine. Remove the plug and connect it to the dispense nozzle. Set the program switch to the on position. Connect the machine to a power source. Press and hold the dispense button for the dispense station that the tube is connected to for 10 seconds until you hear the water valve turn on. Monitor the water bath fill level until water starts to trickle from the overflow tube. Then press the dispense button again to stop the fill process. Turn on the refrigeration switch near the main control board. This will start the water bath pump circulation. Disconnect the fill tube and allow excess water to drain into the drip tray. Replace the plug in the end of the fill tube and store back into the machine.